Let me tell you a little bit about real estate. Let me tell you a story of two friends of mine. Hi everyone, I'm so excited that you decided to invest your time to invest in real estate in your education. This is so exciting. My name is Deborah Ojo. Let me tell you a little bit about real estate. Let me tell you a story of two friends of mine. I had a friend when I was 21 years old. This friend decided they got a good job. Um, he bought a good car, got married later on, and just traveled the world. That was his goal. That was what he wanted to do. And as a young man, that's what he did, right? I then had another friend, on the other hand. She saved as much as she can. She did not buy, she bought a very smaller car, not luxury car like the other one. She bought a smaller car that would help her to get from point A to Z. And she just invested all of her money in real estate. She started by buying a duplex property, which, she rented the basement, of course. And from there, she started buying more and more real estate and living as frugal as possible in the beginning. Now this person has, house, husband, kids, spent time with her kids, later retired at the age of 27 years old into a job that she really, really loves, teaching people real estate and doing all of that. And, doing courses like this, right? And yeah, the whole story is my friend, people, almost all of my friends did that. They just got into life. They wanted to live luxurious, which is okay. And later on, they hated their job. Eventually, some of them lost their job at the beginning and they started selling some of their luxury items. And of course, they didn't like the job. And the second person, of course, was me. I invested early on, and the motivation was just like I didn't want to end up like one of the percentages, one of the other people, and what everybody else does. And I just wanted to do things differently. So, hi there, my name is Deborah Ojo from Deborah Homes. Are you trying to sell your house right now? I am going to be helping you to list your house to sell it for maximum profits. I am talking about professional staging. I am talking about exposing you to the over 1,000 agents that I have in my office. I am talking about exposing to the buyers that are already ready to buy right now. So if you are sitting on a buttload of cash, you need to be contacting me right now for a customer's marketing plan that is going to help you to get a maximum of your price. You need to be contacting Deborah Homes. Thank you. I am very excited to be teaching you and to be instructing you. Today, I have multi-million-dollar real estate investments, over $50, and I am a real estate agent in the Greater Toronto, and I mentor my clients and a lot of mentees around the world to do exactly the same thing that I am doing. Okay, let's talk about the course formats. This is going to be interactive, action-based, and it's going to be, you need to download Coder. So to be able to engage and take advantage of this platform, you have to be able to download Coder and use it to fully interact. Also, this is an interactive learning, so I would appreciate if you can all, run numbers, run as much numbers as possible. When I started, I ran a lot of numbers, a lot of scenarios, so you get comfortable to buying real estate. Every property out there has a number that makes sense, right? You're going to buy this property at this number and it's going to make sense. So which means you have to get comfortable with running the numbers, understand where the sweet spot is, and offer those kind of prices, right? And hopefully get accepted. I also want you to take advantage of the mastermind. We all get scared. I still buy properties sometimes like multi-millions, and you're just scared when it gets to bigger numbers. But when you see people around you that can help you, support you, take a second look at what you're doing, you get more comfortable just knowing that you cover all the angles. So join the mastermind, ask questions, ask people about their journey, and hopefully I hope that you can learn from all of that. Also, I want you to pay attention and take action. Just don't take this as another course. I want you to really get out there and start making offers, start taking actions, one step after the other, and I believe you can really truly get there. All right, I'll see you on the other side.